In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Asana. Whether you're starting fresh, leaning on a proven template, or importing an existing spreadsheet, this walkthrough will help you set up a clean, organized project with confidence. Start by opening Asana and clicking the plus create button. You'll find it at the top left or in the sidebar, and it's your gateway to building anything new. When the menu opens, select Project. This tells Asana you're about to set up a dedicated space for tasks, timelines, and collaboration. You'll now choose how to start. If you pick Blank Project, you're beginning from scratch, which is perfect when your process is unique or still evolving. User Template is ideal when you want structure instantly. Asana offers pre-made layouts for common workflows like marketing campaigns, product launches, or team meetings. Import Spreadsheet is the right choice if you already track work in a CSV file. It lets you bring that data straight into Asana without retyping, so your columns become fields and your rows become tasks. Next, enter your project details. Give your project a clear descriptive name that makes its purpose obvious at a glance. This is a small step that saves time later, especially in busy workspaces. Then, select the team where the project belongs so the right people can find it. Placing the project in the correct team helps with visibility and keeps related work together. Now choose your default view. List is a straightforward, column-based outline that's great for task details and checklists. Board shows work as cards in columns, which is helpful for stages like to do, in progress, and done. Timeline gives you a Gantt-style view to understand how tasks connect over time and to spot potential conflicts. Calendar displays tasks by due date, making it easy to see what's coming up. Pick the view that aligns best with how your team thinks and plans. Before you finish, set your privacy. Public to team means anyone in the selected team can find and view the project, which is useful for transparent cross-functional work. Private to members limits access to people you explicitly add, which is best for sensitive or early stage projects. When everything looks right, click Create Project. Asana will spin up your new space using the options you selected, and you'll land in the view you chose. That's it. Your project is ready to go, clearly named, in the right team, with the right visibility and structure from the start.